Welcome to the Conservatory and Botanical Gardens inside the Bellagio Resort and Casino in Las Vegas for their Summer 2026 Paradise Display. Throughout the gardens, they have animals made out of a mix of real and fake flowers. In the middle of the garden is a mother and her baby elephant, where guests can take pictures. This hut set in the jungle is called the Garden Table, which guests can book for a culinary experience. We walked through the gardens through the second day that they were open, so they were still putting some finishing touches on. In the picture frame, they have a beautiful living painting of mosses and orchids. This gazebo tucked in the corner is called the Watering Hole, which guests can book for an exclusive cocktail experience. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below where we should go and explore next. Thanks for watching, and we hope you join us on our next exploration.